Hey, how's it? It's me, Tiny Tadani, Aloha Water's Tiny TV on Spectrum OC16. I'm right here on the corner of Coral and Queen Street, where who says you can't get anything for free anymore? Free air. Yes, you don't know places that have this anymore. You gotta dump quarters in or something. This gentleman drove in and got his tires pumped up for free. It's like, it's here all the time. I'm here on a bright, chirpy, beautiful, kind of humid though, Sunday morning at Lex Brodies because they do something called LBU. Not LeBron James, it's Lex Brodies University, where they teach you stuff. And you know why I came? Well, I like freebies. Just for coming, I got one of these tire gauge things so you can check your tires and make sure it's all pressured perfectly. These are nice. Got the Lex Brody logo, everything. But how about this? Everyone's got a cell phone, but how about that car charger? Especially if you travel, you always forget, yeah? But look, it's got the LBU logo on it for Lex Brodies University. 2 plugs, because 2 is better than 1. Just a couple of things they got. There's coffee and donuts. Scott is giving away some free stuff all the time, and I'm going to introduce you to the other staff. It's a whole kind of like curriculum, and you got all these educators. Kind of neat. All the top guys from Lex Brodies teaching you about your car, which you got to know. And then I'm going to tell you at the end how you can be a part of LBU, Lex Brodies University, so you can know what's going on with your car. Guy, girl, kid, adult, whatever, yeah? Keep watching.
So I just want to talk about the tire basics. I do a lot of the training for all the people that work on your cars inside the stores. But we get a lot of questions. People call in all the time. I need tires for my car, and people don't know how to find the right size on their car. The best place to do it is inside your door on the door jamb. This is just an example from the training program that we do, where you find the correct sizes for your vehicle and the right air pressures.
So you pull it out, okay? Wipe it off. Reinsert it, pull it back out again.
Guy we saw asking questions, he was getting in there at Lex Brodies University. Gerald, what did you think about today's course?
For a layman, it's very good. I enjoyed it. I took some general information, which is basically what I need. Any more information that I think I need specifically, I'll bring it in over here, and hopefully, the text can help me to resolve those issues. But I enjoyed it very much.
The Nagamines came as a couple, and you came out with notes and everything, huh?
Yeah. I thought the course was interesting. When I was younger, I used to fool around with the car and I used to change things, but lately I haven't changed things, so I've forgotten all the things that you need to check. So it's a good, interesting course. Tells you what to check and what to do when you have trouble. So
and you had date night with your wife.
Yeah. And the coffee was good.
All right.
Hi, I'm Mike Rizzo, president of Lex Brodies Tire Company. Welcome to our second installation of our Lex Brodies University. Today we're covering tire basics and vehicle maintenance basics. Right now Keith Kobayashi is giving a rundown over some basic vehicle maintenance information, and we want you to come. We want you to be part of this. We want you to be here to learn about your vehicle. We're here for you. All right, we started advertising for this online through social media. Keep an eye out on our website and on social media for the next installment of the Lex Brodies University. We're looking to get one done in the next couple of weeks here, but we'll keep you in the loop. All right, and if you have questions, give us a call. Hit our website up, and you can go to the Contact Us page and email me directly, or Scott, or John, or Keith, and we'll give you all the information and all the details that you need. All right, we want to keep this program going for you. This program was designed to educate the public on best practices for vehicle safety through proper vehicle maintenance. Right? We want you to get in and have a hands-on experience. We don't want to just talk to you about the stuff. We want you to get in there. We want to demonstrate what we're doing. We want you to see what our tire experts do when you bring your vehicles to us. We want to share that information with everybody. Again, this program was designed initially as a way for us to condense and centralize our training initiatives for our employees, but we rolled it out for all the public and customers as well. We want to make sure that everybody has access to the information, everybody is an expert about their own vehicle.
Lex Brodies University. I don't want to disturb class there. It's really like school. But you know what? You can't learn this in a classroom. Can't watch videos. You have to be there. That's why this is here. And as you can see, they're learning. You're never too old to learn. I'm learning things just by hearing the staff talk. These are people in the trenches, yeah? So if you want to be a part of this, like Mike said, just go on the website at lexbrodies.com and you can find information there. You can also find information about their Above and Beyond Award. That's a neat tribute to the military and our Thank You Very Much Award, which is a tribute to our teachers, our educators. So if you want to start doing your assignment, teachers, if you're watching, get your kids writing letters and be a part of the Thank You Very Much Award featured right here on Aloha Water's Tiny TV. If you want to be here at Lex Brodies University, again, the next one will be announced on social media, on the website at lexbrodies.com.